TJi, and today we are building this fire chief set, isn't it?
Fire truck, yeah.
Fire
chief truck.
And it looks really cool because right here, it's like, right here, it looks like that's like the electric, but then it's caught on fire. I don't know how, but it has. Don't tell me.
Electric can catch on fire.
Yeah, it can. Sometimes, like...
It's very dangerous.
Yeah, sometimes if you, like, you know, I'm going to tell you a fact. If you put electric near water, it explodes.
Yes.
So if you had, like, say, it's random, but say if you had your sink full and your microwave was next to it and it was plugged in and then you knocked it by accident and it went in there, it would explode. So... make sure you don't play with water and electric. But anyways, so this guy's trying to place it out and it looks like it's connected from there. And you have these little cones and you have the chief. She's Freya McLeod. This is weird. But I think what happens is the cones go in these little places like here, like there. And that just slides in the back so it will go there. And then I think the girl drives and then he just hangs on the back. And yeah, I think the ladder just goes on top, so yeah, so I'm really excited, so let's get into it. Welcome to Chazzas World with me, Chazza TJi. So guys, as I said, we're playing this playing and building this fire chief fire truck set. So let's open it up. So it says here, you're supposed to open it here. Quite hard. I'll just open it the old-fashioned way. Good enough. Got it all out in the end. Oh, so this is how to make it. They're stickers, alright. That's confusing. I've got two.
Oh, perhaps they put two in by mistake.
No, I just want to see that it's the same. 35. I just want to check if it's like the exact same because then like I can keep it. So like if I accidentally like don't know where one is, I have another one just in case. 31. Page 35. Oh, I get it. This is for the fire truck, but this is like all the accessories. So that we don't really need. The fire truck we're focusing on, so when we do that, then we could do the accessories. So let's get into it. Box. That's been taken care of. So we've got stickers. We don't really need them. This is aside for now. This is packet number 2, packet number 1. That's one focusing on. So guys, this is her. She holds the coffee mug. And yeah, so I'm just going to place it like that so she can go. Oh, there's a nice coffee. Yum, yum. I burnt myself. That's guys. If you play with coffee or tea, you're probably going to get burnt. And that's bad, so you don't want that. That can go there. Well, that's a section we know, don't we? That can go over there. Okay. Open this guy up, this puppy. You can place that there. Oh, stay there. I can see wheels, I can see loads of stuff, but this is another packet. That is a section. Yeah. So I'm going to spread them out so I can actually see them. What is that? Oh, that's for the rope. I get it. That's the way they tape it. So it's like, oh yeah, we're not going to come undone. It's just if you want to know. You know. So I was like, oh wow, amazing. Right. Anyway, so I'm going to spread them out and then we're going to place these plastics on the floor. So I'm going to clean them up later because I like the environment. I don't, you know, I save the environment. Not like some of you people out there who hate the environment, like throw cans on the floor, throw them in the sea because you don't know that fish is going to go, oh yeah, this is food, and eat it and probably cut themselves inside and probably bleed to death. I know that sounds gruesome, but that's what happens sometimes. So, these people, they're going to go to the side. I'll place them there. If they can stand up. This girl, she can't even stand up. There we are. Fire chief. Yeah, right. They're both standing up. You can see them right there and I'm going to work. So, I'll see you in a sec. Update, guys. So this is the what do you call it, like electricity thing. So you're like, oh yeah, there's some fire, and then you open it up and then you have that, and I'm just gonna place it there with them. So you know what, I'm gonna make a pile over here that to say that it's done. You might not see it, but it's just over here. I apologise if you don't see it, but I can't move from where the camera is watching me to here as I'm talking. So, anyways, carry on. Guys, just for an update, this is what it looks like. As you could see, like, you've got these little things that they clip on, and I think you're supposed to place these, like, whatever you want to call them, like cones, I think. Yeah, cones, something like that in them. And I think basically what you do with them is then when you place them in, they like, you can drive around with them, but they stay in. I'm pretty sure that's what happens. I don't know, you know, I can't predict the future. I wish I could, but, you know, I can't. But, you know, if I had a superpower like that, I would say that is what it is. I don't know, but from the looks of it, and from, like, what it says on the back of the box, what's down here, that's where they are. I'm going to have some water to put on here. That's my filming water. Whenever I film, I have it there just in case I get thirsty. Anyways, carry on watching. Book. I'm going to place that over there, so I move it onto this second book. And I've got all this. And yeah, I'm just going to move on to that. And I just wanted to tell you that. Anyways, so I'm going to get straight into doing the car. Okay, so give me a sec. So I'm just so this is what it looks like. It really looks cool. I really like it. And the inside, this is what you might not be able to see, but basically, if I place it up, that's basically the sat nav, and that's sitting right there. That's a steering wheel. Just wanted to pop out and say, and that's like kind of like how much speed you're going, how much fuel you've got. But that will never run out in Lego City. In this kind of Lego City. In the Lego animations, it will run out, but in this kind of Lego City where you go like that, no, it won't run out. Anyways, keep watching. And so guys, that is my police fire truck, and basically what you do is that I would say this guy probably places his axe there. Like that. And then he stands there and holds it. So like he's like so he's stable. It's like holding it like that, so he's like on the back, so he's not gonna move, and his hands like blocking it. But then basically you take that off. You probably place a coffee mug down. I would say place it like in there on the ground there, because that I don't know. I don't actually know. Please get on. Yeah, I don't know. Just place it anywhere you want, because that she can't really like. How do I explain it? She can't really like. She can't really do much. All she could do is just sit down and relax. I just needed to move the seat because I actually realised that it was wrong. Like she would have to stand up, and she doesn't want. Ouch! That must hurt. Her hair was like twisted right around. I was like, ouch! That must hurt. And then you place that on. You place them on. Make sure they are on. Right now it seems like they are not biting, so you probably have to take that out and probably just do it yourself quickly. And you place it back like that. You place that in there like, okay. Anyways, place that in there like so, like that. Place that back where it should be. I don't know why it was moving. Why are you moving? Why are you moving? Why you do the jiggle? Huh? Why are you breaking off? Huh? Anyways, you might have some issues with it, but you know, you just have to sort them out like I'm doing right now. Like this. It might seem a bit strange, but yeah, there you have it. That guy's hanging off. Literally, look. Whee! I'm hanging off! I don't know what to say for the guy. I think I just have to go like that, maybe, or something like that. I don't actually know, maybe go like that, something like that. Go like that, yeah, something like that. And yeah, that's it. You just... Yeah. I can't open the door.
Fire!
Okay, I'm gonna turn it, open the door. So the I need to get this out. Oh, this is, oh no. I need to hold it, dude. Come on. You need to hold it. Yeah, hold it up. Here.
Oh.
Here. Come on, I got more ammo. I caught it.
And that's how it puts out the fire.
Yeah, you just shoot it. But basically, what I did is with the spare part, there was more ammo for this. There was like 4 more pieces, like of this. I just placed them in there. Look, you just open it up. There's more ammo. The cones are in here. Basically, when you open one, look. What?
Turn it around.
So basically, the cones are in here. Look, you'd open it. Sometimes, not all the time, but it'll fall out. But, yeah. And then there, it has all the ammo. And yeah. So I'm like, I just need to, place it on there. Do it up. Wait, no, wrong way. So I'm just tightening it so it looks like that, and then go place it in like that, if I can. And then you place the axe like that. This is what I really like to do. And then you place the man like that, but he is holding the thing at the same time. So he's like hanging on, but at the same time, I don't know how, but he's holding the axe like this. So he's gone like that, and he's like that. And he's like that. Bit strange, but look, he's holding on like that. You know how another way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. It was amazing to do this. Like just to go room. So that then you get out, and then so then you take that out. I'm just going to move it. I'm not going to get everyone out. But like then you just take that out and go like, whee! And then unclip that. Unroll it to there. Fire it. Like that, and it's really nice to play with. Then you can roll it back up, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed. Sorry, I'm taking my head down because I just need to roll this up. But like, subscribe, check it in the description down below for more videos. Like, subscribe, and yeah. But I hope you enjoyed, and yeah. Bye guys. Check out these other awesome videos by me, Chazza TJi. And don't forget to like and subscribe.